Hello everyone, today I want to show you Adobe Illustrator 3D tutorial, just like this. Watch full video and please subscribe.
First, I text 2000. Follow the process. Set the color and group it. Go to 3D and click Extrude. Depth 288. Click Convex. Width 36, and repeat 3. Now, go to Materials. And set Roughness 35. Now go to Lighting. Enable Shadow. Shadow Bounds 329. Now set height 15. And softness 50%. And rotation 15. Now set intensity 114%.
If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.